How to fix Pinterest not working on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick on Android phone. First open settings and then click here apps and then apps again, and here you will find all your installed apps. So all you need to do, just click here and type Pinterest and click on it, and here click force stop and then go to storage and clear cache. Now your problem must be fixed, but if that doesn't fix your problem then click clear data, but after that you will need to log in again and that will fix your problem. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.